For a reaction at 298 Kelvin, what is the value of the equilibrium constant? So, okay, let's write our information. We really just have the temperature to go with. 298 Kelvin, okay? And it's just a generic reaction where we have a reactant A, which is a gas, and it reacts with reactant B, which is also a gas. We're told that this is an equilibrium reaction, and it produces product D, which is a gas, and then also product C, which is a gas. I guess I could have ordered that the other way. It's all right. Anyways, some other information that we're given here is the change in enthalpy or the heat of formation. We're told that delta H equals negative 29.8 kilojoules. And then we're also given the change of entropy here, or the entropy of formation.